Hello and welcome to QuickTipsTo. Today I'm going to show you how to stop or silence notifications for specific apps on an Android 15 phone. To do this, go to Settings, then tap on Notifications. Next, tap on App Notifications. Select the app for which you want to disable notifications. In my case, it's the Smart Life app, so I'll tap on that. As you can see, under Notifications, it shows that I receive about 1 notification per day. Tap on it. Now I have the option to silence the notification. I can stop it from popping up on the screen when my phone is unlocked, and I can disable vibration as well. I don't need to see this notification, so I'll just turn it off altogether. This will prevent me from seeing these notifications on my phone. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video. With QuickTipsTo, knowledge has no limits.